Greetings. Place value. Introduction. Let's say we have the number 1, okay, and we add another 1. Then we add another 8 ones. So the total of them will be 10. Okay, this 10 contains inside it 10 ones. Okay, if you multiply this 10 by 10, it will give us 100. So this 100 have also 10 of this 10 inside it. If you multiply it by 10, it will give us 1000, and this 1000 have 10 100 inside it, and so on. Okay, in a multi-digit number, a digit in one place represents 10 times as much as it represents in the place to its right. So let's take an example here. If you have 1111, 1 here is, this one is 10, and it's 10 times more than this one, and this one is 100, and it's 10 times more than this 10, and this one is 1000, and it's 10 times more than this 100. Okay, place value. Okay, let's say that all of those are digits of a number. Okay, so this digit, the first digit, it will represent the ones. Okay, then after it we will have the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, then 10,000s, and 100,000s. As you see here, this will be repeated but in another way. As you see here, we have here the unit, and then the 10, then the 100. Then we have 1000 here, 10,000 and 100,000, and it will be repeated. Here we will have million, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, billions, and it will be 10 billions and 100 billions. So this part can represent the ones, and this part can represent the thousands, and this part can represent the hundreds, and this part the millions, and this part can represent the billions. Okay, let's see an example. We have 5 here. Okay, now we have 100. Okay, we have 20, 2 other tens. Now we have 8, 100,000 and 58. Okay, let's see this number. We have 700 millions and 12,344. Okay, and here we have 100 billions. Okay, if we break the first 3 zeros, we are 4 digits, then we are in the thousands realm. Okay, now we are in the millions realm, now we are in the billions realm. It will be easier for you to write and pronounce the number if you separated every 3 digits from each other. It will be much easier for you. Okay. Forms. The standard form is the way that we normally write the numbers. Okay, it's the normal way that we always write the numbers in. The expanded form is just we separate the number, like here 1900. We have 1000 plus 900. We separated both of them, the 1000 and the 900. Okay, let's see here 50. It will be 50 and 1. We separated both of them, 50 plus 1. Okay, 580. Let's separate the 500 and the 80. 500 plus 80. Okay, 1,500,000. It will be 1 million plus 500,000. Okay, 2600, it will be 2000 plus 600. Word form. As we said, here we have 1900 and here we say 51. Okay, you write it in words instead of writing the numbers. So we have the three forms. The standard is as we always and normally write the numbers. The expanded form, we just separate them. Okay, as we say, we say 1900. We write 1000 alone and 900 alone. 51, write 50 alone and 1 alone, and so on. Okay, then the word form, we only write what we say. Okay, not in numbers but in letters. Exercise 1. Write each number in word form. Now we have 580, so we'll write 580. 18,345. 18,345. Now it's larger. It's a larger number. Here it's in 300 billions, 14 million, and 56. Exercise 2. Write each number in standard form. Okay, they give us the number in the extended form and we write it in the standard form. You can just add the numbers normally. We have 8 millions here, 8,309. It'll be 8,309. Okay, 7,123. Add all of these numbers. 7,123. Okay, we have 60 million plus 200,000 plus 20 plus 3. You can just add them. Exercise 3. Write each number in the expanded form. Okay, they will give us the number in the standard form and now we should write it in the expanded form. So now we have 600 million. Okay, right, 600 million plus 300,000 plus 700 plus 80. Okay, now we have 10 billion 100,000 5,900. And finally we have 95 billion and 9. We will write the 90 billion, then 5 billion, then the 9. Okay. Exercise 4. Write the word form for each number and tell the value of the underlined digit. Okay. Let's say we have 34,238,335. You'll write that 34,238,335. Then this digit, what is the value of this digit? It's 8,000. So you write it 8,000 and 8,000 in words and in letters, because he didn't say if he wanted in words or in letters, but it's safe to write it only in numbers, in as a number, you can just write 8,000 because he didn't say that he wanted in the word form. So you have the freedom to write it in the way that you want. Okay, this is the summary. Remember, this digit represents the 1, 10th, and 100th, and so on. This is very important. Okay, now the session ended. This part is just for fun. This is not the largest number, maybe this is the largest number in use, It's called Google, not Google. It's Google, and it have 100 zeros, 1 and 100 zeros afterwards. It's a very large number.